everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on the river from the 4th to the 8th of July 2022 on Monday. Nomafu is living her worst nightmare while Cobra find a way to forget his marital woes on Tuesday. Cobra goes back to his old destructive habits to avoid the stress at home. Kwezi finds herself getting drawn deeper into an unfavorable position on Wednesday. Cobra gets more than what he began for when he tried to get the woman in his life to get along. Nomafu decides to prove just how vicious she can be on Thursday. Zolani is pulled into a different direction while Nomafu sent Lindiwe a deadly gift, and Paulina and Angelina realize they are on their own on Friday. Nomafu and Lindiwe's fight heats up and things go south at what was supposed to be a celebratory event. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.